Find the volume of the sphere and round your answer to the nearest tenth. When the page before this, it gave you the formula for volume of a sphere, which is 4/3 times pi r cubed. So 4/3 times pi, which is r cubed, is 4. Then we just solve this. 4 cubed times 4/3 happens to be 256/3. You can use your calculator to figure that pi. So then you then times that by pi, and there's your answer. And so it'd be 268.1 cubic centimeters. Again, we're rounding to the nearest tenth. So use your calculator to solve that. If you find your calculator does not give you the same answer, check with a friend or with me, and we will see what the problem is. We'll also go on to example 2. This time we want to find the radius of the sphere. We don't know it. We still start with the volume formula, 4/3 pi r cubed. We don't know r, so that's going to stay r. But we do know that 288 pi goes here. So then the next step would be, they didn't do anything different on this step. Multiply through, or they just put the pi above. All this could be above actually. So then they were going to take the reciprocal of this because they want r cubed by itself. So they're going to take 3 time over 4 times pi because it's the reciprocal. So these will cancel and these will cancel, and you'll be left with r cubed. And then you have your 288 pi times this, so your pi's will cancel. So you've got your 3 times your 288 divided by 4 becomes 216 equals your r cubed. And then you have to figure out what the cubed root basically of 216 is. And that would be 6 times 6 times 6 is equal to 216. So you're getting a cubed root there. So 6 inches is the radius from start to finish. So you could actually plug that all back in and check it out to see if it does work. If you don't have any questions, you can then try the next two on your own.